Okay, I'm doing this a little bit unorthodox because I was already supposed to have put these hangers on before I put the sides on. So I'm going to have to get down to it and get over here and do it like this. Okay. So I'm going to set these. Okay, so yeah, so I did it. I did what I'm supposed to do. All is good, all is klar. I am right here. Except instead of mine being right there on the ground, it's up, straight up towards the sky. But I done did it right. And now it's saying to slide. Ooh, that's interesting. Oh, this is so beautiful. Wow, when IKEA is beautiful, it's beautiful. Alright, so I'm moving my parts out the way because I know what's going on now. I'll tell you what, this IKEA, you build it, it just makes you smarter. I mean, just being spatially aware, trying to figure stuff out, and yeah. Okay, but I'm going to be building probably, I'm thinking 7 base cabinets tonight, and they're all going to have to be in here. And so what this is going to be is it's going to be a build, and then it's going to be like a cardboard evacuation, and by the time this whole thing is done tonight, it's going to be nothing but neat cabinets with their neat little boxes of tools and their instructions, and all this cardboard is going to be gone. So that means that I can leave no prisoners. You know, I'm not going to be able to get back to this corner, so I have to be very aware that whatever this thing is coming out. And I'm going to put it right here, and I'm going to hope it doesn't break something and it's not glass. And now is also a very good opportunity for me to look into this closet and see if I've got any IKEA stored there. And that's what I'm going to do right now. And I do. And it's all glass shelving. Okay, so here goes the box. It's coming down. This guy, he's coming down now. There we go. And he's going to come crashing into, oh no. Okay, I guess I can live, no, I can't live with that. See, I didn't set this up right. Boom. Okay, I guess I can live with that. I can live with that. No, I can't live with that. No, I can't. Oh, God. I'm seeing daylight. There we go. Okay, got the daylight out of that. So, I forgot if I was supposed to put these cams in, these cam nuts. yeah, I should have done that already, but I didn't. So I'm gonna do that. Okay. Alright. Oh, there's not even a space for a screwdriver to go in. Okay, well, what all I just have to do is put that right here, and I'll get to that guy later. Then I'm going to slip over here, get this guy right in here. And I've noticed something. At some point, the screwdriver became too big. So what that tells me is IKEA changed its width of the cam nut, and I've had to go down to a smaller blade. So I'm using a different screwdriver. Here we go. Here we go. You get in your home. Okay. There we go. What's so funny? What do you mean?
You said they didn't leave enough room. IKEA.
It's just, I don't know if most people do this kind of stuff. They build their own IKEA kitchens. But see, there's no room for a screwdriver. I guess if I move this box. Okay, there we go. So I'm saving myself $800 by doing this myself.
Okay.
So I haven't been tracking my hours, but I haven't spent that long building these. So I think $800 is a good savings. Plus it's going to be done better.